I have severe anal cancer! Now that I've gained your attention, you probably clicked on this video wondering, how can I cure myself or a family member of autism? Well, you clicked on the right video because I have just the solution. Step 1. Before you start the curing process, you're going to need a gallon of dinosaur semen. You're probably thinking to yourself, oh, well, where do I obtain this dinosaur semen, my cracker? Well, where else do you think fossil fuels come from? To obtain the dinosaur semen, head down to your local dinosaur museum, and once there, ask the dinosaur teacher to meet you in the back room for a fossil fuel bath. Once in the back room, the dinosaur teacher will presume to whip out the dinosaur penis preserved in a thin layer of grape jelly. What you're going to need to do is caress the cucumber until the fossil fuel starts to erupt out. Once it comes out, make sure to catch the semen in a bucket of some sort to be able to obtain it all. Step 3. Since it's a common fact that a monkey scrotum can hold up to 1/10 a gallon of water, you're going to need to obtain 10 monkey scrotums. So go ahead and drive to the zoo in your Dora the Explorer Toys R Us car, and once there, make sure to get past the guards by saying there's a gay couple humping in the ostrich exhibit. Once the guards are distracted, enter the monkey exhibit, and since they're going to need to be knocked out for the removal, which you're going to need scissors for, whip out the picture of James Charles dressed as a female and begin the procedure. Once you have obtained 10 monkey scrotums, proceed back home. Step 4. Once home, pour 1/10 of the dinosaur semen into each of the monkey scrotums. Once poured, begin to place them in a circle and stand in the center of the circle like a cult, but instead of people, scrotums. You or your family member, depending on who has the autism, are going to need to sacrifice your porn collection for the process to work. So once sacrificed, proceed to drink up all the dinosaur semen, one scrotum at a time. Once you or your family member have drunken all the scrotums, the curing process will begin. But for the curing process to continue, make sure to sleep next to a picture of Jacob Statorius every night for it to be effective. I hope you enjoy the video, and no lie, if you like and subscribe right now, you will find a double gold dildo under your butthole.